Okay, beautiful people. Backyard remodel day 3 is commencing. I don't have a lot of sun, but I checked the weather. It's not supposed to rain until Wednesday because today I'm screwing in the boards and I'm going to put down the sealer, and it cannot rain for the next 2 days. So it's not supposed to rain until Wednesday. So I should be good, but this is what we're looking like. Day 3, I'm about to get this stuff screwed in. I got the sideboards down, looking real good. And I think I got the tent pretty lined up, so it's looking good. I'm excited. Got to get it screwed in, and we'll be on the way. I'm using deck screws. Make sure that you use deck screws or weatherproof screws. But I'm using deck screws because they'll give me the length that I need. So here we go. Stuff into screwing the deck screws into the pallets, both the batteries have died. So now I'm gonna wait about an hour. I'm gonna run to the store, get a few things for one of my young entrepreneurs so the batteries can charge. The struggle. So this is what it looked like right now. So you can see some of my mistakes. Like right there where there's a whole bunch of screws is because I kept missing the studs. I was kind of flying blind. I didn't take the time to measure because I lost my measuring tape, but this is what we're looking at. Right now, all I really have to do is get these edges done. I got the insides done first, but I'm gonna get these edges done and get the 2 side pieces screwed in. Batteries are gonna charge up, and then I'll take it from there. On our way to Lowe's, get the boards cut, then we'll be done. This is where we are now. Deck is done, tent is up, the net is on the tent, and it's looking great. Got to do a lot of maneuvering because the dimensions weren't working out, but we got it. So I wanted to use the deck covering for this step. I'm gonna wind up painting that, probably write something on it. But it worked out good for this one and that one. I didn't want to connect it to the sides because I might want to use it for something else. But here's the finished product on the sides. All the way around. Elevated off the ground to protect it from moisture. And next is the sealer right here. This is the next step. I'm gonna let that dry, then I'm gonna put that on, let it dry, move on from there. So excited. And I love the extra height that the bricks gave it. So dope. Last minute adjustments. You see these pieces right here? I wanted it finished. I wanted a finished look. So I put the pieces on the end and on the other side. I don't really like the way that it meets. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to buy some corner pieces from Lowe's and put them across the edge to give it a nice finished look. But other than that, we about to put this in. This is where we are. It doesn't necessarily look like what it's supposed to look like yet because it's still got, you know, a lot of dirt sitting out. Haven't even opened the rocks. It's not a finished product, but by tomorrow, it only takes, the can says it only takes about 8 or so hours to dry where it could get rained on. And it's not really humid out here, so that's the best part. But after I get a little bit of furniture on here, it dries, we get the little table up. We ran out of paint. I didn't think it was going to be worth it to buy more paint, so we used what we had for the top, and then I had some spray Thompson sealer that I put on top. But we'll push that up against, that'll be our step. I was thinking about drawing something on it, but I don't know. Clean up the trash, put the tools away. So you got the tent up, looking nice. But yeah, I think it's crooked now that I look at it, but it's been a long day. Can't really tell because it's so dark, but that's it for tonight. Lowe's was closed. I wanted to go get the little corner piece for the edge today, but it's closed already. So I'll get that tomorrow. I mean, I couldn't put it down. The wood is wet, but that's it. We put down the sealer, and then as we were running out at the end, we finished it off on the pallet, and I put down some Thompson's wood sealer, some outdoor wood sealer. So that's it. This is day 3, 2, 3 from when I started everything. This is the 3rd day. Second day working on the deck. By tomorrow should be done. I'm still not going to sit on the deck, probably until like 4 or 5 days for sure. I want it to set, but yep, that's it. See you tomorrow. Peace.